Guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome to our YouTube channel and Facebook page Technical Ubad. We are back again with a new video. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for our further updates. So basically in today's video we will tell you about an best AI art video generator. From this website you can also make animated characters, animated art. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So now let's start the video. So now in today's video we will talk about AI image generator. So basically this is a paid website, but seriously its features are very amazing. We can create art from this website easily. We can also generate many animations through this website, and we can also make cartoonic videos, cartoonic characters, everything from this website without any hesitation. Use an AI image generator to convert your text prompts. We simply need to write a text, and this website will make a best animation or art on our specific topic. So how to create AI generated images with CF Spark Art? Go to CF Spark Art and launch our AI image generator. Put your prompt in our text to image generator. You can choose from our or copy promotion from existing creations. Choose your preferred ratio. You can modify the ratio in the same prompt to see the some image composed in different ways. If we write a script in the script section, then we can see multiple images on our script. Then we need to choose our favorite images, and then our image or our art is ready. Then we can use these images or art pictures in our videos, in our websites. So now frequently asked let's talk about frequently asked questions. There is no copyright claim of this website. If we will make 100,000 pictures from this website, then there is no copyright strike on every, even single clip. This website is totally copyrighted free. That's why I am making tutorial on this. We can make animation videos through this website. We can make animated character from this website. We can make cartoonic character from this website. If we want to run a cartoonic channel, then we can also make the characters from this website. And the package of this website is very reasonable and very affordable. So that's the best features of this website. So if you like this website, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and become a part of our family. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.